Automated segmentation? Yes, please. Hi. I'm James from Mobile Text Alerts. I'm going to walk you through the Adaptive Groups feature in your Mobile Text Alerts dashboard. With Adaptive Groups, you can automatically segment your subscribers based on conditions that you designate. That way, you can send more targeted messages and better track subscriber activity, so that you can know how to better engage your audience. Here's how it works. Go to your Manage Groups tab. Then select the Add Group button. From there, type in a name and description for the group, for your reference. Then select the Adaptive button. You'll then be able to select if you'd like your group to be segmented based on all the conditions you'll designate, or if you'd like your group to be segmented based on any of the conditions. If all conditions is selected, the subscriber will need to meet all of the criteria you designate in order to be automatically placed within the group. If any condition is selected, the subscriber will only need to meet one of the criteria you designate in order to be automatically placed within the group. Select Add Condition to set up the conditions that will determine when a subscriber is automatically placed within the group. The condition attributes are first name, last name, phone number, email, opt-in source, join date, clicked link. You can designate what must be true of an attribute in order for the subscriber to be considered as meeting the condition. For example, you could select join date for the attribute and then between as the element that must be true. You can then enter the date range. Any subscriber who joined, or who will join, between that date range would then be considered as meeting the condition. You can click the Add Condition button to add as many conditions as you'd like, and you can click the trash bin icon to delete any condition. Click Add Group when you're done, and your group will start auto-populating. It will automatically add in any subscribers who currently meet the designated conditions, and moving forward it will also automatically add in subscribers who meet those conditions in the future. You can click Details after saving to view or edit the conditions for the group at any time, to export a list of the group members, or to manage other information regarding the group. That's all for Adaptive Groups today. Thanks for watching.